Assalamu alaikum, brothers. Surah Qamar, 54 chapter and verse number 17. In this chapter, Allah is saying again and again and again and again. You guys ever watch television, right? You see a commercial of any product like a cold drink or something. They keep on repeating it again and again. Why? Because you listen from your ears, you see from your eyes, and where does it affect? Here. Man, I need that cold drink. I need to drink that. I want to eat that. It has an effect on you. It's a constant reminder that use me, use me, use me. It's a product. That's what Allah is saying. In verse number 17, وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ. And we have indeed made the Quran easy for zikr, nasiyat, admonition, guidance. فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ. Is there anybody who wants it? Is there anybody who wants it? Want it? Allahu Akbar. You want it, right? That's what Allah is saying. If our intention is to take admonition and we want to correct ourselves, it's easy. Otherwise, the most difficult book in the world. Same chapter, verse number 22. Allah says, وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ. We have made the Quran easy for admonition. Is there anybody who wants it? Same in verse number 32. Repeating again. Same in verse number 40. Repeating again the same thing. Again and again and again. Is it easy, easy, easy? Do you want it? When I came across this, I said I want it. I'll try and do it.